Are you frustrated with AI forgetting your prompts after just a few messages? I've spent over 500 hours studying AI to solve this exact issue. Today, I'll reveal the secret that transformed my AI from a frustration into an assistant. It's an app that I made and I'm giving it away for free so you can help me make it better. Jump to the description, get a copy for yourself now. It should also be no surprise that I'm going to show you how to use it today and make your AI experience better pretty much instantly. Like I said, I built Datachunker Pro. It's an app that basically jump starts any AI and starts it to actually learn your data instead of guessing it. After months of research and experimenting, I developed a multi-formatted approach to split any file into chunk-sized bytes that AI could read, understand, and remember. It works on all major AIs, such as the online ones like ChatGPT or Claude, but it also works with offline AIs and LLMs like Ollama and OpenWebUI, which is what we're going to be using today. I'm also going to be giving you 3 real-life scenarios as to how this can be useful and how you can actually use it. I want you to download this and help me make this program better. And we're going to be looking at it in real time right now. This whole project got started because I wanted an AI to help me debug my code, but the online models just could never learn. As an example, I created this little guessing game. It's source code that basically it opens up a program and it'll let you guess from 1 to 100, and if you get it right, then the program closes. First, I'll feed the entire folder into the AI's knowledge. So let's go into our AI, which is right here. We're going to upload the files into its knowledge base so it knows what it's talking about. We'll go up here to the little hamburger icon and then go to workspace. We're going to mouse over to knowledge and then hit the little plus button, and this is going to be our data set that we're going to be reusing all day today. So this is going to be sample and something and create. Okay, now we're going to go to upload directory. So we're going to upload the entire source directory for the guessing game. So I have it in demo, and then we're going to go to the dummy project. And I'm going to select that whole folder. We're going to hit upload, and we're going to see that it's going to upload a total of 30 files, which some of them are going to be, not accessible because they're not in the correct format, but that's okay. And then once all that is completed, we're going to go back and we're going to start a new chat. Let's go to new chat. We're going to type in here, what is this? And I'm going to put a hashtag, and I'm going to select my sample that I just uploaded. In the AI, it's going to see it. It's going to see that it's some kind of a dummy project, but it has no idea what it does. Missing information, likely default project, application.vb.net, contains a form. The answer is, what is this? It's some kind of project. Now let's open up Datachunker Pro. First off, we're going to select a directory scan. Then we're going to select the source of the scan, which is going to be the source code that we have been using. So demo and then dummy project. We're going to keep it as context aware, which is perfectly fine. And we're also going to leave it at the default hybrid setting, which works great with AI. And then we're going to go to smart filtering. So it'll filter out all the unneeded stuff that we have on there. And then we're going to select the export location. Now I have that brought up on the screen right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click start export, and you can see it created these chunks, and now we have them available in an AI format. So let's go ahead and upload that back into our AI. We're going to go over to our knowledge base here, drop that down and go to sync directory. It'll delete everything out that we don't need, and then we select the exported data. Once we have all that uploaded, we can go back to our same chat that we had before. We'll scroll up to the top. We're going to edit and then just resend the exact same thing, and we're going to see if the AI knows what it is now. This collection of source code is from a simple guessing game application written in Visual Basic. Boom. Perfect. It contains the code behind the main sub form, assembly code. It's a main sub. It generates a random number between 1 and 100. It prompts the user to enter a guess, checks if the user input is valid. It provides feedback either higher or lower, and the game ends when the user guesses the number correctly. Now, just to verify, let's go in and ask for the main guessing code. Show me the guessing game script. And there we have the script for the code itself. Let's go ahead and bring up the application so we can see the code inside of it and compare. But that looks like my code. So let's see. We're going to go to demo project. We'll just open that up into Visual Studios, and there's our script right there. How cool is that? And again, like I said, link in the description down below, completely free for now while it's in beta testing. I need some beta testers. If you're interested in AI, you have stuff that you think that AI can help you with and it's just not remembering it, download it. Let's jump into 2 more scenarios, and these are real life scenarios that people have actually contacted me with, asking me to show them how to do this. Now, the second scenario, a colleague of mine had a 900+ page PDF document that he had purchased on CompTIA security systems, or it's basically a test prep guide to get him ready to be certified in CompTIA security. He needed to chunk it and get it into an AI to make a decent study guide for him, but the problem was no online AI could process that much. So let's throw this into Data Chunker Pro. We will select single file. We're going to select the source, CompTIA, and we're going to select this PDF. We're going to choose token-based for this because inside text documents, token-based is the way to go. That's how AIs process it. And then we're going to set the default index at 1000. We don't need smart filtering. Don't worry about that. We'll leave it at the hybrid export. And then we're going to keep the same export the same. Just start export. And there we have it. Let's go ahead, upload this into our AI dataset. Provide me a study guide with 50 questions likely on CompTIA Security Plus exam based on the uploaded study guide. Go. It starts to generate a test for us. That's pretty cool. And it's content that is from that PDF specifically. But I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Now, the third scenario I have is actually from a local flower shop. They had tried to leverage AI for price quoting and things like that. However, her attempts to do that, well, let's just say that they were unsatisfactory. I created some mock templates with item prices in typical flower shops and things like that, and maybe some items for seasonal flowers and things. And I uploaded them into an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go into Data Chunker Pro. We're going to select a directory scan. We are going to change this to token count as well, just to make it easier for the AI to chunk it, but really doesn't really matter. And then we're going to go to start process. As you can see, finished processing it. Now let's go ahead, update our model back to the same prompt as before. We're going to scroll up, we're going to edit it, and I'm going to say, I have a customer who wants to know what she can get with her $500 budget. She has a wedding with 5 bridesmaids and needs 15 table toppers, an arch, and a bouquet for herself. Please give me a quote including cost, markup, profit, her loss, whatever. I mean, it's giving us price quotes. It's basically saying $500 isn't going to cut it. She needs to up her profit, which is true. I mean, for all that, $500 is not going to cut it. So let's come back with a second question. Can you give me an option that I can come up with or come back with? I can't lose this business. And it looks like it's giving us a strategy, cost savings, $500. Okay, so it's giving us some options there. It'll probably break down, like, I don't know, individual stuff and things. I need some data testers so we can test out everything that it offers. During this beta phase, I'm giving it away for free. It's compatible with over 800 file formats, ensuring versatility. But the problem is I can't test all of those files by myself, and I also can't test hundreds of different use case scenarios. I want to make this as perfect as I can for as many people as I can. So if you would like to become a beta tester for me and get your own free copy of this, the link is in the description down below. Sign up for free, receive a free download link, and honestly, I would love to have your feedback so we can refine this program and make it better together. We can make this the most powerful tool that anyone needs to turn, well, a dumb AI into a smart one. An AI that stops guessing and starts learning. Thank you all very much. I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope that you enjoy the program.